This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Motorama. This is on the sneak preview days on Friday on the setup, and I had to get this for all my fans, and especially numero uno. That's you, Glenn.
1959.
Edsel Wagon. The details on this, Jim really did a great job. I love, look at that wraparound windshield, very typical of the era. I love the lines through here. Is that beautiful 60s or what? This is great. Oh, look at that dashboard. That is so cool. It carries through the Edsel on over. I like the tack. You can see the Edsel there. Now remember, this is a 60, so you don't have the push-button transmission in the center of the console. I love the shifter there and the air conditioning, you notice right there. Look at the embossed. Wow. That is so cool. Look at this beautiful old wagon. Is this great or what? I gotta zoom in on the manufacturer's plate. MEL. Is that nice? Look at the Villager embossed over there. What a cool old wagon. The details. Look how deep that cove is. You can get an idea of it. I love the taillight lenses with the little vestiges of the fins. The pinstripe just adds to it. Villager there, it's got the not the clamshell, the window opens, and then the whatchamacallit, the tailgate drops. This one has the optional backup lights. This is beautiful. Gets
1959.
Edsel station wagon. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, host and share your events. Oh, that's great. I'll see you at the shows.